Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A95, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to locate the power saving toggle. Now it might not be added by default, so we might need to click right here on these three dots and select Edit Tiles, and then simply find it from the tiles or toggles that are right here at the bottom. There's multiple pages, so you might not see it on the first page like it is for me, but just swipe through it. Once you see it, you can click on the plus. Now there's two different ones. There is the normal power saving mode, and then there's the super power saving mode. I'll add both of them just so you can kind of see how it will look like. You can go back and you can see that they are both visible right here. So the normal power saving mode, once enabled, actually I just enabled the super power saving mode. So I guess the super power saving mode, I'm going to start off with that one. Tries to preserve as much battery as possible by removing most of the functionality of a smartphone, allowing you access to things like phone, messages, clock, and 3 other applications of your choice. And that's about it. We can leave it by clicking right over here on this exit button and select exit super power saving mode. So that's one. And the other one is this one, the normal one. And like I mentioned, this one is more traditional one, though on this device particular, it doesn't really extend the battery all that much. So you might just want to lower down the brightness down yourself and probably have a better result with managing your power consumption than this power saving mode that is on here. Now anyway, once you're done with it, you can simply tap on the toggle to turn it off. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.